and I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hello, my beauties. This is Burn Beauty 2018, and welcome to my channel. I hope you'll subscribe and enjoy this wig review. I am wearing a wig by Outre, who is my absolute favorite wig maker, I think. It's the wig maker I wear the most. And I'm wearing Layla in Strawberry Gold. And my bestie for my birthday sent me Kamiyah in Strawberry Gold. And we're gonna install it and review it. The reason I wore this wig was because Kamiyah looks a little bit darker in the pack. But now that I've actually got the wig on beside it, I can see that's just the lace on it. They're the same color. But for a while I wondered, until I saw them beside each other, like, is the Strawberry Gold true? Is that color true? On this wig, is it the same? So that's a big deal, you know, consistency in color. And I wasn't sure. But, you know, all of these wigs come with a net on them. That makes them look a little bit darker. And she also has a dark root, which is going to change the look just a little bit. I love this color. It's one of my favorites. Okay, so I've got Kamiyah by Outre 22-inch Beauty in Strawberry Gold, a gift from my bestie. I'm wearing a Strawberry Gold unit. I'm wearing Layla, and look, they are the same color. This one seems to have a quality that's a little bit darker, but so it should. It's got a dark under color. It's got a dark root. So we cut the hang tag off. And if you're like my bestie and you keep your wigs in a bag, in a silk wig bag, you keep this in the bag so you know which wig it is. Again, Kamiyah by Outre in Strawberry Gold. We're gonna switch from one Strawberry Gold to another. I love Layla in Strawberry Gold too. I love Strawberry Gold. It's just pretty. So we've got this beautiful 22-inch long wig. We've got the lace. I particularly, for burn survivors, never recommend putting it on and then cutting it with eyebrow razors. It just doesn't make, I'm always going to cut right around the hair on this hairline. So I don't know. And I'm always going to wiggle it because God doesn't make straight lines. I say this on almost all my videos, all my wig videos. God doesn't make straight lines. So if you cut a straight line in your lace, it's going to be more visible to the human eye. It's going to attract attention, actually. It's the same reason they'll leave a scar in a zigzag pattern. If you're a burn survivor, you know about that. They will zigzag a scar rather than make it straight. And I am just doing a little wiggle with my hair cutting shears that I got on Amazon. I'll give you a link to those. I used them because I actually got brave and cut some layers into a human hair wig I have. It's a super long 30-inch human hair, wavy, but it just seemed to hang kind of heavy on the front, especially if you're used to wearing these synthetic wigs that are always perfectly styled, ready to go, you know, and it just seemed to hang kind of heavy. So I actually bought these shears and cut it. I can't even believe I cut that big. Because, you know, those guys are, you get good prices. I bought it through Love Me Hair. They have some of the best prices on human hair, but it's still, You know, it's not a $60 wig, it's a $600 wig or something if you get it. But I've noticed, just by the way, if you love human hair wigs, Love Me has had some sales, and I've seen some really pretty wigs on sale under $200. Really pretty wigs. I almost bought one, but look, I'm behind me at all these wigs I've got. So, what I found, you know, these are Outre wigs, so they're super soft, super great. That I sprayed some Ebin lace tint on the dedicated center part. And perfect color match. It only looked darker because of the dark root and because of the dark net that they come in. You know, they come in a netted bag. And it made it look really dark in the package. So even I was like, oh, I'm going to wait and, you know, open this one on camera and put it on so that I can review the color consistency. So I've trimmed my lace. I have sprayed the lace tint. This is an Outre melted hairline, my favorite, because it's the least amount of work and you truly wear them glueless. It comes with a band in it. You're still going to need your, if you really want it secure, your silicone WiGrip or velvet WiGrip, whatever you prefer. But grip it, okay? It's not exactly the same type of band that you would wear on, say, a human hair wig, on a glueless human hair wig. So you start, if you're a beginner, you throw this on, you throw the band on, and then you straighten out the front. You look for the comb in the back, and you're gonna pull that to the back of your head, and you're gonna put it up underneath your WiGrip. That's another reason we wear the WiGrip, because I do not like to hook these combs into my natural hairline because there is pressure. So these are protective styles. Do it with as much protection as you can. So you've got two combs in the front. Let me see it. Let's do something with the part and make it a little bit lighter in the part. And then really all this needs is, that's pretty, is for me to put a little bit of makeup in the part, just to really, really highlight it. Like, look at this, look at that part, right? That's what you want to see. Oh, that made a difference. Feeling like, so I thought she was a lot tighter, but I had her kind of wrapped around herself. She's not that tight. She's very big head friendly because I have a very big head. And it feels really good. At first I was excited because it felt very snug, but it really would have been too snug. So right there, it hit. Did you see that? That just hit the spot. I have got some lace bond that I've been using, and I'm going to show you this. It's lace melt spray with vitamin E, and sometimes when it needs it, I'll go ahead and spray some right here in the part and just hold it. And then I'll do the same thing on the sides if I need to get them out there. You should let it dry, but you know what I'm saying? Like, put it just like that. Lace melt is so much better than glue or that yellow stuff. Got to be glued. It's just so much better. And this vitamin E variant of Ebin lace bond is really just, that makes me happy because we know vitamin E is good for us, and they make it with different things, you know, different things are being put in it. So that's really good. So she is down, lay down the part. Really, really beautiful. And I don't have to do much. I mean, I think I'm gonna get her to stand up a little bit. Outside, you can use some concealer or whatever you use to get that lace, to get your part defined. That looks good. Okay. This wig is soft. The color is consistent. This is my other strawberry gold. And I thought she was a lot lighter when I was buying her. So if you're in the store and you're like, no, I don't think it's the same color. It is. It's just that this has a dark root. She's beautiful. She's 22 inches. We can comb through her and do whatever we want. I don't know how I really want to wear her. I like the way she hangs. It's really easy to just cut the lace, tint it, and put it on. So I'm not good with hair, okay? I'm good with makeup. I'm very good with makeup. The reason I wear wigs is because I'm not good with hair. So, you know what I'm saying? It's like I'm not gonna do anything too amazing with the wig, because if I have to do that, then I need to go to the hair salon. So these are the best ones. Outre Melted Hairline. Again, look at that. I just poof it up a little. It looks so pretty. The hair is soft. It's 22 inches long. 22 inches long. So pretty. It's so soft. It almost has that Nisha feel, like a blowout. You know, like that soft, just, I don't know, that soft, beautiful blowout feel. That's what it's like. And if you know Outre Nisha, you know what I'm talking about. So this is kind of like a Nisha wig with the melted hairline. I definitely give this 5 stars. Look at the different hair colors mixed into it. It's so pretty. I would definitely buy this. Again, in another color. I love the style of it. And I love that I know I could pretty easily take it when I get tired at the end of the day, pull it up, hook it, put a clip on it, throw it back. Oh, relax all night, y'all. What do y'all think of that? Y'all like it? I hope you do. I really recommend this wig. It was a wonderful gift, again, from my friend. She is Kamiyah 22 inch by Outre in Strawberry Gold. She is soft, very easily installed. Comes with 3 combs and a band. She's 22 inches long, and I easily pulled her up into just a, you know, I'm done for the night look. And I'm super happy about that. So I hope you'll give her a try. She's available on Amazon. The link is below. And also the other products that I used are linked below as well. Whatever you're going through, please remember that this too shall pass. Love y'all.